Now, William, you'll notice that I played this Amazing Grace the first two times through the course uh, in the key of E flat, and then I took it up to the key of F. I guess you call it a modulation to the key of F. So that tends to make the song a little more dramatic when you modulate. But if you don't want to modulate, we can keep it in E flat. Uh, if you want to do it, totally in E flat, or we can do two courses in E flat and then modulate to the key of F. All right. So you let me know when we talk. Okay. Thanks.